सुरों के साथ हो अपना ये सफर।
यार टेम्पो बढ़ा।
सुरों के साथ हो अपना ये सफर। मेरे माइक पे हो सबकी यूं नजर। कभी हंस के कभी रो के गा लेते हैं सुरों के संग होके। कभी मिलके कभी जुदा जुदा दिखा देते हैं हम अपनी हर अदा। सुर ऑन एयर, सुर ऑन एयर, सुर ऑन एयर।
चिन 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 चिन। वेलकम दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सबका 104.9 FM फन एशिया रेडियो पर। एक और बहुत ही खूबसूरत शाम, एक और आर्टिस्ट टैलेंट हमारे ही डैलस में जो आज परफॉर्म करने वाली हैं ऑन फन एशिया रेडियो 104.9 FM पर। ये सुर ऑन एयर जो शो है, कमाल का शो है और लेकर आते हैं हम आपके लिए, जहाँ पर आपको एक यूनिक वॉइस सुनने मिलती है। आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है और ये हमारे कलाकारों के लिए बहुत ही खास, बिकॉज दे कैन फीचर ऑन फन एशिया रेडियो। एंड आई विल टेक द प्लेजर टू गिव अ शाउट आउट टू वैशाली ठक्कर, आवर CEO, जिनकी वजह से ऐसे ऐसे शोज आपके लिए आ सकते हैं। एंड टुडे वी हैव विद अस वैभवी श्रीनिवासन, who belongs to a family of traditional music of Banaras Gharana, and she's originally from वाराणसी। वैसे हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल लाइट म्यूज़िक भी सिखाती हैं, फोक, बॉलीवुड, वेस्टर्न म्यूज़िक, या आपने सही सुना है, सिखाती हैं। और फिनिश कर रही हैं PhD in biology from the University of North Texas, Denton. Wow, what a left brain and a right brain that we get to see here, जो बहुत ही खूबसूरती से ये बैलेंस करते हैं। तो चलिए आज मिलते हैं एक नए कलाकार के साथ ऑन फन एशिया रेडियो। वेलकम 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 वैभवी, एंड यू आर द वॉइस ऑफ फन एशिया रेडियो एज वेल। आपने आवाज़ दी थी और 2 साल तक ये जो वॉइस है, वी हैड इट एज द स्टेशन ID.
Hello Dallas. Thank you so much, Navneeta ji and Fun Asia Radio for having me here today on Sur on Air. I'm so excited to join this show today. Yes, मैंने Fun Asia Radio के लिए jingle भी गाया था, which is one of my fondest memories of giving my voice to Fun Asia Radio's jingle.
And वो जो क्यूट सी, छोटी सी, अभी भी क्यूट है लेकिन उस समय और भी छोटी थी। I think it was 2020.
Yes.
Just after COVID.
Right before, yeah, almost
there. We were
yeah.
right there, and then for 2 years we heard you whenever we started Fun Asia Radio.
Yeah, the thrilling moment about that was that I came here, recorded the jingle, and it was finalized within like the first take itself, and that was one of my fondest memories of
Super.
recording the jingle.
तो देखिए ऐसा ही होता है when you come, you record and you get selected. That's how it happened for Sur on Air as well. तो चलिए एक गाना सुना देते हैं सबको पहले, and then we will talk about you and about how music happened and all the lovely stories. बनारस घराना आप सिखाती हैं, सुपर, मतलब यू आर फॉर अ ट्रीट। कहीं जाएगा मत दोस्तों, एक गाना इनका सुनते हैं, फिर देखते हैं और फिर बातें बहुत सारी होंगी।
अगर तुम मिल जाओ ज़माना छोड़ देंगे हम। अगर तुम मिल जाओ ज़माना छोड़ देंगे हम। अगर तुम मिल जाओ ज़माना छोड़ देंगे हम। तुम्हें पाकर ज़माने भर से रिश्ता तोड़ देंगे हम। अगर तुम मिल जाओ ज़माना छोड़ देंगे हम। अगर तुम मिल जाओ ज़माना छोड़ देंगे हम। तेरे दिल में रहेंगे, तुझको अपना घर बना लेंगे। तेरे दिल में रहेंगे, तुझको अपना घर बना लेंगे। तेरे ख्वाबों को महलों की तरह खुद पर सजा लेंगे। कसम तेरी कसम, कसम तेरी कसम, तकदीर का रुख मोड़ देंगे हम अगर तुम मिल जाओ। समाना छोड़ देंगे हम। तुम्हें हम अपने जिस्मों जा में कुछ ऐसे बसा लेंगे। तुम्हें हम अपने जिस्मों जा में कुछ ऐसे बसा लेंगे। तेरी खुशबू अपने जिस्म की खुशबू बना लेंगे। खुदा से भी ना जो टूटे, खुदा से भी ना जो टूटे, वो रिश्ता जोड़ लेंगे हम अगर तुम मिल जाओ। समाना छोड़ देंगे हम, तुम्हें पाकर ज़माने भर से रिश्ता तोड़ देंगे हम अगर तुम मिल जाओ। समाना छोड़ देंगे हम अगर तुम मिल जाओ। समाना छोड़ देंगे हम।
Sur on air, Sur on air, Sur on air.
Tan 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 tan, super, Vaibhavi, that was gorgeous, beautiful. So you have been singing and you have it in the family. Why do you say that?
Yes, music is in my family. My grandfather, Sri Ranga Markandan, was a famous Carnatic vocalist, and he was a professor also in Banaras Hindu University. And my father is Surmani Dr. R.K. Srinivasan, who is also a Hindustani flutist from Banaras Gharana. So I feel that music is in my family, in my genes, and that's how music has always been part of my life.
Wow, so you have seen it when you were very, very little? When did
Yes.
you start?
Yes, I started singing when I was around 2.5 years of age, when my mom would used to play songs of M.S. Subbulakshmi ji and other recordings. I would listen to those recordings and try to sing them. But I started learning music at the age of 4. And
4,
since
is that
then-
true? My God, how did you sound at 4? You have some recordings at that time?
Yes, I recorded some of the shows on Doordarshan TV, so those recordings are there, and some videos are there when I gave my first performance, stage performance at the age of 5. So that's when I gave my first stage performance, and
That
yeah.
must have been so cute. Everybody would have just held you, you know, with the little kids. You can actually take them on in their arms because you are little. That is so cute. So tell me, what motivates you every day when it comes to music?
Motivation comes from listening to music at home, listening to my grandfather's recordings, and listening to my dad practice flute early in the morning.
Really?
Yes, every day. And I start my day listening to music, and that keeps me motivating. And I also practice.
So let me put you in the spot and listen to something right here, right now.
Okay. बाजे रे मुरलिया बाजे रे मुरलिया बाजे अधर धरे मोहन मुरली पर अधर धरे मोहन मुरली पर होठ पे माया बिराजे बाजे मुरलिया बाजे बाजे रे मुरलिया बाजे.
My God, that is so beautiful, lovely.
Thank you.
So whenever you want, you can sing, and you teach as well. How does that come through?
Yes, I also teach Hindustani lessons, Hindustani classical music lessons in and around Dallas area. And I do take in person as well as online lessons.
And then you also in biology, and you are completing your PhD. How does that complete? I mean, this is lots that you have on your plate.
Yes. So apart from music, I just finished my PhD in biology from the University of North Texas. And
Congratulations.
thank you. I had my graduation yesterday.
Ah.
And so apart from music, research is something that I'm really interested into, and it's my passion, and to do something good for the society with my research in environmental toxicology.
Super.
Yes.
Dosto, whoever is listening to Phanesia Radio, you have tuned in just now. We are speaking to Vaibhavi Srinivasan, who is our very beautiful singer on Phanesia Radio. So Vaibhavi, what is the next song that my listeners can listen to? You choose which you want me to play.
The Haan Ke Haan
Haan
song,
Ke Haan, acha.
cover song by
Right. So the Haan Ke Haan cover song is the next one for all my listeners.
एक एक करे क्यों तारे गिने क्यों माने कहा हम किस्मत को 3600 सुन मिलाए क्यों गुन क्यों जोड़ा बनाए जन्मों का चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से का सिक्का उछाले हूँ जित में तेरी है पट तू मेरे हवाले चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से का सिक्का उछाले हूँ जित में तेरी है पट तू मेरे हवाले कहता है प्यार तेरा जिया बोलो पिया के हाँ के हाँ के हाँ एक एक करे क्यों तारे गिने क्यों माने कहा हम किस्मत को 3600 सुन मिलाए क्यों गुन क्यों जोड़ा बनाए जन्मों का चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से का सिक्का उछाले जित में तेरी है पट तू मेरे हवाले
Sur on air. Sur on air. Sur on air.
Super duper wow. That is what I can say for this beautiful, beautiful song that you have so beautifully sung. So, Vaibhavi, आप बताइए, what is this musical dream that you have?
My musical dream is to become one of the best musicians and singers and perform more and more.
How will you do with your biology now?
I will manage
You'll-
both.
Both
yes.
you'll manage?
Yeah.
And you have lots of opportunities here in Dallas?
Yes. Mhm.
So, you might have had so many opportunities in life. Can you share some wow moments that you had, and my listeners probably would know Vaibhavi a little more?
Yes. Some of my wow movements include I was first awarded the UP Sangeet Natak Academy Award.
Wow, okay, that's
at the
wow.
age of about 10 years.
Hmm.
And I also received the Government of India Cultural Scholarship for doing my intensive music training till I finished my undergraduate degree, which
So, that's all on scholarship?
yes,
Super duper.
and those are some of my thrilling achievements in music. Also, I was part of a documentary called as The Banaras of James Princip, which was directed by an American director, James Wills. You can check that out on YouTube. So I also sang in that documentary, which was about Banaras and the culture and the music
Beautiful.
in Banaras.
Banaras is so beautiful.
Yes. Yeah, and recording jingle for Phoenicia Radio was
That was a
also
wow moment,
amazing.
right?
Yes, and that
Hearing it, listening to it whenever you
Yes,
switched on 104.9
yes,
FM.
Yes, while I was driving, I was
That is such a wow moment,
able
I'm
to
sure.
listen. Yeah.
Super. Now you will get to hear your interview right here, right now on Furniture Radio. See, people come a long way. She sang the jingle and now she's on Surun Air, and that is so wonderful. And I want one more song to be heard by everybody of yours. Tell me which one.
The Savaralu.
Savalu. Chalo, sun lete Savalu. So beautiful. I love this song as well. Only for you.
हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियाँ जो भंवरे आके लूट गए। बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों न मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं, है सवार लूं। हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियाँ जो भंवरे आके लूट गए। बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों न मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं, है सवार लूं। सारी कोयली बनी है आज डाकिया कुहू कुहू में चिट्ठियां पढ़े मसाकिया इन्हीं कहो कि ना छुपाए किसने है लिखा बताए उसकी आज नजर उतार लूं सवार लूं सवार लूं सवार लूं है सवार लूं
Beautiful. That is so beautiful. I love it. Beautifully rendered. Vaibhavi Srinivasan for you on Fanisha Radio. How was it to sing this?
It was great. Yeah, this is also one of my favorite song as well. So it's a fun song, and performing this was yeah.
So,
it's
as a
happy
teacher
song.
as well, you know, really don't have time. We just have 2 minutes. So, पता नहीं आप कितने जल्दी ये 2 minutes में. Just give a little message to my listeners listening to you, and if you can end with a song in your voice.
Okay. My message for upcoming musicians is to practice, keep practicing and performing. And music is something that keeps our mind relaxed after a stressful day. Music is something to calm yourself down. So I would say practice and yeah. And chali re, chunu ko liye, katra कतरा लम्हों को पिए पिंजरे से उड़ा दिल का शिकरा खुदी से मैंने इश्क किया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया हो जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया हो thank you
Wow, super. देखिए on the spot also. Just love it. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you, Vaibhavi, and wish you loads of love. More power to you to what you do.
Thank you so much, RJ Navneeta, and to Phanisha Radio for giving me this opportunity to be on Sir on Air. And I had so much fun. And it was a musical evening. And thank you again.
देखिए कितना खूबसूरत आ गई और गा भी दिया और एकदम मज़े मज़े से ये पूरा वक्त चला गया. Whenever these amazing talent comes on the airways, I feel proud of all of you, and I know you are going to go places. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Sur on air.